this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders. So this is one of our students. He got placed recently. He is going to share his experience.
So my name is Sai Pawan Kumar. I have completed my MS Ramaya Institute of Technology in Information Science and Engineering in 2023 with a CGPA of 8.29. I have joined this PySpiders campus in the month of February, and first I have learned SQL, everything about SQL by Murli sir, and in April month Keshav sir has started teaching Python, and I have learned everything about Python from basic to advanced skills, and front-end development was taught by Govind sir, and Django framework was taught by Alex sir, and I have cracked interviews because they have asked questions about coding problems on what Keshav sir has taught, and I was able to crack the interview and got selected.
Okay, nice. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.